Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. Today's video is in honor of Juneteenth on Saturday, June 19th. Juneteenth is the celebration of when Union General Gordon Granger declared all slaves free in Texas in 1865. Speaking of Juneteenth videos, Greensboro Public Library presents Soul Food Looks Back, a conversation with Jessica B. Harris and Carla Hall. It premieres on Juneteenth at 12 p.m. with a live Q&A at the URL listed. Today's cookbook highlight is Jubilee, Recipes from 2 Centuries of African American Cooking by Toni Tipton-Martin. Today's recipe is collards with cornmeal dumplings. For your ingredients, you will need vegetable stock, onion, garlic, collard greens, crushed red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, all-purpose flour, coarsely ground cornmeal, baking powder, sugar, and butter. Step 1. In a pot, bring the stock, onion, and garlic to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer while preparing the greens. Step 2. Trim away the stems from your thoroughly washed greens if desired. Stack 2 or 3 leaves on a cutting board and roll tightly into a log. Slice the greens crosswise into 1/4 inch wide ribbons. Step 3. Place the ribbon greens and the crushed red pepper in the broth and return to a simmer. Season to taste with salt and black pepper. Step 4. Spoon out a half cup of the pot liquor and set aside. Cook covered for about 1.5 hours for very tender greens. Step 5. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, whisk together the flour, cornmeal, baking powder, sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Set aside. Step 6. In a small saucepan, melt the butter. Add the reserved pot liquor and heat to just below boiling. Remove the pot liquor mixture from the heat. Step 7. Whisk the pot liquor mixture into the dry ingredients, then let it stand for 5 minutes. Step 9. When cool enough to handle, use wet fingertips to shape the dough into dumplings. Cover it with plastic wrap and store in the fridge until ready to add to your collards. Step 10. During the last 15 minutes of the collards cooking time, carefully drop the cornmeal dumplings into the pot with the greens, making sure the dumplings rest in the pot liquor. Cover and simmer until the dumplings are cooked through 10 to 15 minutes. Step 11. Serve your greens and dumplings in a bowl with plenty of pot liquor and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.